My name is Thorsten Trupke. I'm a professor here at the University of New South Wales, where I lead a research group of about 15 PhD students and postdocs, and I'm also CTO of BT Imaging.
My name is Bardos. I'm an Adjunct Associate Professor at UNSW, and also I'm the Chief Operating Officer of BT Imaging.
The technology that we developed did not exist 10 years ago, and within only a few years it has really become a standard technology that is now used worldwide. You can imagine the equivalent of an X-ray that you get at your doctor or at the dentist for solar cells. So it is a technology that provides unprecedented insight into the electronic quality of silicon wafers and silicon solar cells, and it is that technology that we are now commercializing at BT Imaging.
Compared to technologies that existed at the time, our technology was orders of magnitude faster, as well as not requiring any special preparation of the samples.
To give you an idea, we can get image data with much better quality in a matter of 1 second or less, where previously several hours would have been required. In 2006, Robert and I decided to embark on a commercial adventure, and we started negotiating with the commercial arm of the university to get the various patents transferred into a startup company.
We had a difficult job with 3 parties involved, the university and investors and ourselves. So that was quite a steep learning curve for us to work out how to navigate through to a successful commercialization.
Currently, there's a trend towards downstream applications for modules and even systems, which is the development of new commercial tools that enable applying our technology on full area commercial silicon modules. Since 2005, our technology has really helped researchers, specifically here at UNSW, but in a more broader sense globally, to make much more rapid progress with the further development and further improvement of solar cells. The energy revolution that is currently happening and taking place, traditional energy generation to renewable energy primarily via solar cells, the fact that we have been part of that and helped make that transition faster and more efficient is quite a satisfying thing to do.
I think it's very important to try and mentor people who are going through that themselves. It would have been very helpful for us if the startup community was more developed here when we started. What we lacked, and I think what people need to consider more, is understanding how commerce works, how a commercialization process works. It's the non-obvious things from a technologist's point of view that I think are probably some of the most important things.
In terms of advice that we would give to people who are trying to get into the same situation and embark on this commercialization, you need to have patience and resilience.
It's important that people going into this find some reliable, independent advice to save them from reinventing the wheel.
The Clunies-Ross Award is a very prestigious award, and it is an amazing recognition of the work we've been doing. For us, it's certainly a great motivation moving forward to keep driving this technology forward and keep innovating in the future.